Alright, this is a new feature in ASUS laptops. Some of the models have this. It's called MyASUS in WinRE, or probably WinPE image. So I'll show you how to get in here. So power off the unit. Okay, so if you boot normally into Windows, I'll just repeat the process for you from the beginning. Okay, here we go. So this is the default Windows that it's running, Windows 11. Okay, I'm going to show the username. So what we'll do basically is, as you can see, the bottom right, hold the power button, restart, but before you press it, hold the shift key and then restart. So you're basically going into a recovery environment, and from there you can choose this option if it's available. Okay, and so troubleshoot MyASUS in WinRE. Here we go. It's a PE image that gets loaded with a bunch of utilities, I guess, probably made by another company. Okay, so I want to test the power. Click on power. Well, that's what you get, I guess. Okay. Cool. So very simple to use. I don't know what it will do about, how about a keyboard test? Okay. So it tells you what keys you press. That's pretty cool. What does update do? How are you going to check? Connect to Wi-Fi. Oh, use the Wi-Fi test to connect to your Wi-Fi. Gotcha. Well, that's kind of dumb. Okay. But that's it. All right. That's how you get in here. Okay. Done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.